Have you ever looked up into an oak tree and noticed these weird growths? This is a California oak gall or oak apple. But don't let the name or appearance fool you. This is not a fruit. It is a specialized home for a gall wasp. Now, when I say wasp, you might be envisioning a large insect with yellow and black stripes, but this is not that kind of wasp. The wasp I'm talking about is a gall wasp. It is teeny tiny, only about 5 millimeters long or a quarter of an inch. And the ones responsible for the oak apples are a small brown wasp that you wouldn't even notice. It's smaller than the size of a fly, and they are completely harmless to humans. Galls form on the tree when a gall wasp lays its eggs on either the branch or on the leaf of the oak tree. The oak tree then reacts to the eggs and starts to grow around it, providing a home and food for the wasp larva inside. So this one is just starting to grow on this branch right here, but there's also oak galls on leaves. We have a cool little fuzzy one we just found right here that is a gall. And then we also have some red cone galls on the outside of the leaves. There are many different species of gall wasps, and they all have their own galls that grow on different plants and trees. Many gall wasps can utilize the same tree. On this branch alone, we have at least 3 different species of gall wasps. We have these little muffin top looking ones up here. We have a bunch of these red cone galls, and we have this cool pink one that kind of looks like a brain. They're all utilizing parts of the tree to make their homes. The largest species of gall wasp in California is the oak apple. Now, the galls of oak trees, just like the trees themselves, contain bitter compounds called tannins. And they are so concentrated in oak galls that oak galls could be collected from trees, and then they could be made into things by native Californians, such as inks and dyes. The dyes could be used to dye different baskets. It could also be used for tattoo ink, and the compounds also have some medicinal uses. The gall itself could be used as a tool. Combined with a stick, it can be turned into a type of mallet that is good for clearing debris out of winnowing baskets. It is soft enough to not damage the basket, while hard enough to give it a good thunk and clear out the debris. Come down to the park grounds of the State Indian Museum and Sutter's Fort to see how many different kinds of galls you can spot. While you're here, enjoy the biodiversity that is provided by our native oaks.